Well, now we move to the easiest type, which deals with the even and odd functions. If you can recall, in semester 2 you had even functions. In those we had two types of functions, even and odd functions. So even functions, graphically they look symmetric, meaning negative or positive में same value है. Function carries same value for x as well as minus x. So we write f of minus equal to f of x. That's even function. So graphically it is symmetric. And what about odd functions? Odd functions, they change their values. How? They change the sign, not the values. Sorry. F of minus x is equal to minus of f of x. F of minus x is equal to minus of f of x. So it is called skew symmetric. Right? तो इधर पॉजिटिव तो उधर नेगेटिव है. So we have studied in the property 6. What happens is minus a to a f of x dx is equal to for even functions, because both sides positive and negative have same values, the integral doubles. So it becomes twice of 0 to a f of x dx if f is even function. And in case of odd, एक जगह पे odd positive है तो दूसरे पे negative है या vice versa, so they cancel each other, it becomes 0. So the real thing is of the odd functions, वो इंटीग्रेशन ही ज़ीरो हो जाएगा, कितना भी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड उसको रहने दो. इवन इफ द फंक्शन इज़ वेरी वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, we just have to show it to be odd. And if the limits are minus a to a or so called symmetric, the value is just 0. Right? So the type which deals with the odd functions is more likely than the even functions, because even में तो integration तो करना ही पड़ेगा. There is not much benefit of the property, but odd functions में there is a great benefit of the property. You just have to show it to be odd, and you get the limit to be definite integration to be 0. Well, we have a sum there. Question number 9. Limits minus 2 to 2 x raised to 7 dx upon 1 plus cos x. So none of our techniques, so many techniques we did, won't help you solve this sum. But property number 6 and order functions. So observe the function x raised to 7 upon 1 plus cos x, f of x equal to x raised to 7 1 plus cos x. So how do we show it to be odd? We consider f of minus x. क्या होगा f of minus x का? ऊपर आएगा minus x raised to 7, नीचे आएगा 1 plus cos of minus x. तो न्यूमरेटर will remain minus x raised to 7, but cos of minus x will become cos x. तो नीचे आएगा 1 plus cos x. That means we could separate out the minus sign. So it is f of minus x has turned out to be minus of f of x. Hence f is odd. This implies that f is odd. So we can use the property of odd functions. Minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 0. Because x raised to 7 upon 1 plus cos x is odd function, the definite integration value is directly said to be 0. इससे आसान और क्या होगा, right? So if you are very lucky if you get a sum like this. I am not very sure, but best luck. Thank you. If you have any questions, ask me on the WhatsApp group.